Welcome back to Sunshine Kids. The more you learn, the brighter you shine. Today, we are going to learn about action words. These words help us talk about the things we do every day. Let's explore them together.
I am running.
I am running.
I am running.
I am jumping.
I am jumping.
I am jumping.
I am walking.
I am walking.
I am walking.
I am sitting.
I am sitting.
I am sitting.
I am standing.
I am standing.
I am standing.
I am clapping.
I am clapping.
I am clapping.
I am dancing.
I am dancing.
I am dancing.
I am singing.
I am singing.
I am singing.
I am waving.
I am waving.
I am waving.
I am hugging.
I am hugging.
I am hugging.
I am kicking.
I am kicking.
I am kicking.
I am swimming.
I am swimming.
I am swimming.
I am sliding.
I am sliding.
I am sliding.
I am climbing.
I am climbing.
I am climbing.
I am eating.
I am eating.
I am eating.
I am drinking.
I am drinking.
I am drinking.
I am reading.
I am reading.
I am reading.
I am writing.
I am writing.
I am writing.
I am sleeping.
I am sleeping.
I am sleeping.
I am talking.
I am talking.
I am talking.
I am skating.
I am skating.
I am skating.
I am smiling.
I am smiling.
I am smiling.
I am drawing.
I am drawing.
I am drawing.
I am painting.
I am painting.
I am painting.
I am pulling.
I am pulling.
I am pulling.
I am pushing.
I am pushing.
I am pushing.
I am laughing.
I am laughing.
I am laughing.
Wow, you did an amazing job today. We learned so many useful action words together.
Yay!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more fun and learning adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.